A-Frame presents affordable homes worldwide, even off the grid. Thanks to advanced technology, A-Frame homes offer all the comforts of traditional houses, but they cost remarkably less. They also have lower utility needs than regular houses, which is great for the environment as well as your budget. Each kit includes easy-to-follow instructions, so anyone, including you, can do the work. Most models can be put up with just 2 people. You can add to the length of your house at any time. As your family grows or your needs change, simply make your home bigger. A-Frame homes are great for off-grid applications because the roof area is perfect for installing solar panels. You can choose from a wide choice of add-on extras such as dormers, roof windows and terraces for providing more light and space where needed. We are currently offering more than 10 different models. We have options for everything from backyard sheds to family-sized houses and everything in between. Please visit aframe.com and check out the 5 easy steps for getting your own A-Frame home. We offer fast delivery time and worldwide shipping.
Hi, my name is Max Gerbut. I'm presenting you Passive Dome project.
I'm Julia Gerbut. I'm CMO of Passive Dome.
Our team has over 15 years background in energy-efficient house building and construction. Passive Dome is autonomous off-the-grid 3D printed smart house.
Our houses are really smart. Lots of system of controlling quality of air and water in the house, fully integrated systems of online monitoring so you can control your house from any place in the world.
This house is 100% off-the-grid. Battery storage can operate this house absolutely autonomous. It could be heated and cooled by itself.
Our houses are not afraid of sun and wind influence, corrosion, and last forever.
We use industrial robots for 3D printed house frame. We use carbon fiber, fiberglass, polyurethane and bezel for this, and we produce 6 times more stronger frame as a steel.
Passive dome wall of 20 centimeters thin equals to 7.5 meters wide brick wall. It is several times more effective than energy-efficient houses built before.
The main feature is flexibility. This house is mobile. You can put this house at any place, wherever you want.
Our houses have everything you need for living: furniture, kitchen appliances, shower, washing machine, comfortable bed. And the most important thing, you can forget about paying your bills.
This house is now available as a test drive unit, and you can try it before buying in any place, in any time.
Don't waste your money and energy resources of our planet.
So, welcome to Passive Dome.